Units of resolution. A lot of you are already starting to think about international feet. Got some agencies contacting us right now. Everything's got to match up. If your design is in survey feet, your sheet seat definitions need to be in survey feet. If your design's in international feet, your sheet seats need to be in international feet. Do not try to mix and match, because you will be calling support and wanting to know why your label values are all wrong. It doesn't work that way. It's all got to be the same. Okay. So let's take a look at this real quick. I'm going to jump over here to my settings. File, design file settings. This is where your units of resolution are. You'll see that I'm in US survey feet. All right. If I change this to international foot, I am recommending your solids always be set to 10. That's another thing that we don't do well in our examples workspace we deliver. I missed that when I did that about 7 or 8 years ago. So just set those to 10. That's what we recommend. It works well with OpenBridge and also drainage and utilities. But just remember that you also have to change it in your dynamic profile view. It will also have a units of resolution. And so you can't just do it in your design model. You need to go and do that in each of the models within this file. Okay, so don't forget the dynamic profile view. If some of you are used to using that scale model utility to change all the models in a file, it will not change the dynamic profile view. You still have to do that one manually. So hopefully, if you've tried migration utilities to change out a file, don't forget to do that. And I did just prepare a presentation on converting a workspace to international foot. It's not ready for prime time yet, but because there's, converting a workspace, and there's also talking about, how do I work with old data? There's a whole massive amount of discussion that has to be figured out first. So we are working on that. So that's something on your radar. Keep in mind that we're working on some presentations for that. So batch changing, the units resolution, I just mentioned it. Again, if you're using the migration utility, it's called scale models, to do that, it will not get the profile model. And so also you're going to have to manually update the solids working area to 10 yourself. So we kind of talked about that already. Not going to go into that video because we just showed it in the last one. You can watch it in the PowerPoint if you want, just because we're getting tight on time.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.